Hi Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today as we learn a new sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the sound. The sound is a digraph or special friend because the letters I and R together make the sound. When I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Well done. Now, let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the sound. I found a bird. Can you hear the sound in bird? Bird. Bird. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. I found a girl. Can you hear the sound in the middle of girl? Girl. Girl. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the sound. What's this? It's a shirt. Can you hear the sound in the middle of shirt? Shirt. Shirt. Well done. So, shirt, bird and girl all use the sound. Now, let's have a go at writing the sound. To write the sound, we need to write the letter I and the letter R. For our I, we start at the top, down, little flick and dot. And for our R, we start at the top, down, back up and over. Now, I want you joining in at home, so let's give those magic fingers a big stretch. Give your shoulders a big roll. Remember, you can use one hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Are we ready? Magic fingers. Start at the top, down, little flick and dot. Start at the top, down, back up and over. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, down, little flick, dot. Start at the top, down, back up and over. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the sound. Our first word today is bird. My turn first. B-bird. Bird. Your turn. Bird. My turn again. B-bird. Bird. Your turn. Bird. Well done. Our next word today is girl. My turn first. G-girl. Girl. Your turn. Girl. My turn again. Girl. Girl. Your turn. Girl. Well done. And our last word for today is shirt. Now we've got two special friends here. We've got sh and My turn. Shirt. Your turn. Shirt. My turn again. Shirt. Your turn. Shirt. Well done. Thank you for joining me today. You've worked really hard. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!